All right, guys, I'm finally gonna hopefully get a good run out of these. I keep filming it and it keeps being on the wrong setting. So here we go. Zeroed out. I'll put this in front. We're gonna get a nice speed run. I said I had what are they, GRPs, and they were rubbing on my links right here. You got big old marks on them right now, so I took them off because they're starting to wear a hole through those. And then I also changed the I can't think right now. The motor mount, so it's adjustable, so my mesh is perfect, so the motor doesn't, it gets warm but it doesn't get hot. I can keep my finger on it, so that fixed that problem. That's why I'm staying with the stock electronics, except for the only thing I don't like is the ESC cuts off at 3.8 volts per cell, so it puts it in like a storage mode. So I mean, that's the only thing, so you don't get as long as run time if you want, but you still get a good 10 minutes, so which ain't too bad. You know, 2 batteries, 20 minutes. The shocks is what I'm doing the review on, though. The shocks are not leaking. There is no oil on them. No wet oil. That's just dust and remnants of the oil from when I fixed them. That's all that stuff is on there right now. I ran it in the dirt. So, see, I haven't put that one on backwards, so you can see in there real good. And they're it should be like that one. I did it on accident, but that worked out for me. But see, it's all looking good, man. So I think that's a good fix. And the GPS. It won't focus. There it is. 90% connectivity. Let's see that. It's still not picking it up. Let's throw it on the ground and go for a little spin here and see if it grabs it. Okay, it did. I think I can see that or not. 2 miles an hour. So let's I'll put you in the holder here. Hopefully it stays on what it's supposed to. Last time I did this, it didn't. It changed. Okay. I think I got my controller to stop beeping. So let's go down this way. I can't even, it's so sunny out here. I should have come out here a little bit earlier, but let's run it down there. This thing goes forever, guys. This controller, my Fly Sky GT5, it wouldn't have made it. I would have had to go walk halfway down there to go get it. So the distance on this thing is incredible. For anybody that's doing speed runs and wants a good radio, this radio link, the version 2 with the extra buttons on it, or the buttons replaced is what it is. It's still a 6-channel, but the buttons are in a different spot for your fingers. Nice radio, man, just the distance wise. And then it comes with a couple radios. And these radios send a signal back to your controller and letting you know how much battery juice you got left. So that's a plus. Let's see what we did here. Hoping you can read that. I can't tell. Put it up on the truck and try to get some shade for you. So that's 57 miles an hour. 57 miles an hour. That's pretty good. Yeah, so and the gyro, it has a gyro on these things. So I went online, YouTube. Great tool, guys. Shout out to VOODOO. He had a video on there and he explained to you how to get it to work, because it's not as simple as plugging it in and turning the gyro on in the controller. You got to have the receiver and you got to hit it. And you got to hit the button so many times, or I got the steering way down because of the turn so it doesn't wipe out. But yeah, VOODOO, check him out. A good guy, he's got good content. Very knowledgeable about stuff like this. And I will put his link to his YouTube channel down below for sure. All right, let's see if this changed. 58. There you go, guys. I'm going to try to focus you in, pull you out of the controller here, see if you can get your little shade spot. 58 miles an hour. That's I can't remember if that's my top here or that's my best, but that's pretty close to what I got last time. So yeah, and the motor's not warm at all. That's what I like about this. I can put my hand on the motor and it's not burning my finger. So it was the mesh that was making it super hot, which is too tight. The 22 makes it cog a little bit, but yeah, I think it's fine. Just tiny bit when it first starts out. But yeah, and here's the shocks. See me running it up and down the street. Before, they would leak just staring at them. Now they're not leaking. This is, like I said, just remnants of when I was working on them. So I do need to go back and change this one back around, but I could do that now, but I won't. I'll run it till the battery dies. But all right, guys, just a quick recap on the shocks and kind of what I've done to it. Like I said, I had GPRs for these, but I'm kind of disappointed in those tires. I might have to buy something different because they were way out of whack. They were almost oblong rather than round. So I will save them for something else, like extensions, 12 millimeter extensions, or like $15. So I might do that just to run them, make the car a little wider, see what that looks like. And that should bring them off the top of those, the top of these right here. Just not hitting those. So, all right, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And y'all have a good day.